Hello everyone. Today let's do a lion drawing step by step. We will make it simple and easy. So first of all, let's draw a circle in top half of the sheet. So we can just trace it using anything. If you have some cap or some bowl or something, you can just take that and we can trace a circle. Next, make sure it's just in the top half of the sheet and in the middle. Next, using the pencil, we need to draw scallop lines like this. We have to see we are maintaining the same gap everywhere. Slowly, we just need to create a border of these scallop lines. Next, let's draw the ears of the lion. Two cheeks. Now coming in the down part, we will do it in steps. First we will do it in basic shape. So we just need to draw an oval here. It's just an oval drawing. After that we will just add some details, like we will add one more oval, half oval over here. And now we can just erase this part of the oval drawing. Now let's draw the legs. So one straight line, and like this, one more straight line, and like this. Let's draw the tail. Let's do some background drawing too. I'm just adding some grasses in the background. Again, I'm keeping it very simple by using scallop lines. You can keep some stones also if you want. And some birds flying in the sky. Now let's color this. So for this, we will just use orange, ochre yellow. So this is dark orange, light orange, and we have ochre yellow. We can just use these three shades to color. So first of all, we will trace this using a marker quickly, and then we will continue with the coloring part. So here the tracing is done. Now let's start coloring. So here we will just start from here. So inside, just near the edges, near the border, this circle, we will do it with orange and we will do it dark, like we will apply lots of pressure here. Just one layer, like a thin layer I'm just adding here. If we see this space by layer, I mean 1 layer, 2 layer and 3 layer. So this is dark. Now here in the middle, I'm just scribbling, if you see, so that it becomes lighter and it can merge very well with the another color. So that's the purpose of doing it lightly here in the middle. We can just try this. It's very easy and we can get this very easily. So you see here in the middle layer, we have this kind of scribbling. Now in the top part, we can just use this lighter orange, and it's a shade of yellow and orange mixed. So even if your shades are a little bit different, that's absolutely fine. We just need to make sure that these are shades of orange, yellow and brown. So I'm just making circular strokes, intermixing color in the middle part and coloring it nicely and fully. In the ears, I'm just using orange in the outer part and ochre yellow in the inside part. Now for the face, leaving this space for the cheek and leaving the eyes and the mouth part, we will just color everywhere. We need to color lightly and make sure our strokes are in the same direction. For the cheeks, we can use peach or pink. The same color we will use in the mouth too. Now for the body, also we will use the same color. Now here I want to explain you something, that if we want to create some volume in any space, we can just go from dark to light in the middle. So here I'm using dark, I'm applying pressure and I'm coloring dark near the edges, and as I'm coming inside, I'm just decreasing the pressure of my crayon, and I'm doing it lightly. If you see, I'm just scribbling little bit. I'm trying to merge it with the back side, and as I'm coming inside, I'm decreasing the pressure a lot, so it's looking very light there. So similar I'll be doing here also. So this is like this. To practice this, we can also create some circles and ovals, and we can practice this gradation there. So we'll come to that part in detail in another video. Here let's continue with this drawing first right now. So here in the tail top part also it's furry. So here I'm just using orange in one side. I'm just scribbling in the middle, and I'm using yellow in the next half part. So here also we can see this gradation in the middle. So here the lion drawing is complete. Now let's just do the background. So I'll just grab a green color and I'll fill the colors inside. For these stones, we can use brown. Here in the background at the bottom, I'm just using light green to fill this space. Let's just add some grasses everywhere to make our composition look full. Now here in sky, we can just color this with sky blue. When we have a large area to cover and we want to just do it quickly, we can always flatten the tip, like instead of using the tip of the color, we can just flatten it and we can just do the coloring this way. So it's a technique where we can use it easily and we can fill any large space very quickly, and it's very light, you can say, as we are not using the tip of the color. There are no sharp edges, it's light and it's easy to cover the space very nicely. So children, here our lion drawing is complete. I hope you have enjoyed doing this in easy steps with me. We'll connect again with more easy and interesting art activities. Till then, bye bye.